chief guest of the day, Mr. M. Satish, film actor, Mrs. Umashri Ratnam, EMEA Transformation Leader, IBM Chennai, Vice President, EWIT, author, poet, motivational speaker. Mrs. Devasena Ravishankar, Global Head, Innovation Ecosystem, Cognitive Business Operations, TCS. And our guest of honors, Rotarian or Ananda Jyoti, District Governor, Rotary International District 3000, Mrs. Sharmila N. Social Activist, Mrs. Rose Fatima Mary, District Sports and Youth Welfare Officer, Dindigul, Mrs. M. Chellamal, Owner, Tiruvallur Tailoring Center, Trustee, Tiruvallur Center, Mrs. S. Selva Gomadi, Joint Director, Sopur Trust, Madurai, Gunavati Chandrasekharan, State Awardee, founder of Gunas Quilling, Selvi R. Vanmadi, Captain, Tamil Nadu Ball Badminton Team, Selvi K. Pavitra, Captain, Indian Ball Badminton Team, Mrs. R. Lakshmi, Headmaster, Government High School, Manakatu, Mrs. B. Nalini, Headmaster, Panchayat Union Primary School, Kulathupatti, the Best Teacher Awardee, Mrs. Yasudha Nagarajan, and another Best Teacher Awardee from our place, Headmaster, Saurashtra Sri Varadaraju Higher Secondary School, Bharatipuram, Dindigul. Our most respectful chairperson, beloved pro-chairman, learned heads, officials, lady faculty, lady staff, students, press, media, a warm good morning to one and all. I am much delighted to stand before you in this PSNA Women's Day Celebration 2021. I congratulate my colleague Dr. Vijaya Madam and her faculty and the student team who had toiled a lot to make arrangements for these festivities in a grand manner. I also thank them for the opportunity given to me to stand before you and offer my presidential address. On this Women's Day celebration, before this august audience, as personally I want to thank lady icons. The number one, our chairperson, Tirumani Dhanlakshmi Ammal. Secondly, to my mother, wife, children, sister, lady colleagues, lady friends who had shaped me a lot and made me to stand before you in this August function. Thank you very much to all. Before this August audience, on this occasion of Women's Day celebrations, I want to put two important things in our society in particular and in our country in large, which needs your prudence. Because I think this forum is a fittest forum in which it can be put before, because here we are having dignitaries, achievers, young students, academia, where you can think about these two things. The first one is, India is having a rich demographic dividend now. A large number of young women population below the age of 35. Whereas our neighbors, our competitors, the other countries in our continent and other continents also have aged women population. How we can take it forward very effectively? This is the first question. The second thing is, because of the deep-rooted patriarchal society, or because of our style of society, working urban women percentage is very less. Take for example, it is in India, it is only less than 10%. Previously it was 13%. If you take 5 years back, it was 13%, it is reducing. Secondly, on contrary, even the countries like Muslim dominated and Islamic countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, you will be astonished, their percentage of working women population is, in Pakistan it is roughly 18%, mostly double that of India. And if you take in Bangladesh, it is 64%. Our bigger neighbor China, it is 91%. So without giving a deep attention to this, India as a country, we cannot grow. Achieving a 5 trillion economy will be only a dream. As Vivekananda had told, a bird cannot fly having one broken wing. If woman is not working, how we can lift up the economy? So this is the second thing. Our women folk, our lady friends, academicians, students, VIPs, they should think and they should come out with a solution for this. With these 2 points, and keeping these 2 points before you for your prudence, I am taking this opportunity again to wish you a happy International Women's Day 2021, and also I wish the organizers, I also congratulate my colleagues, students, lady friends for their contributions to the society and their achievement. Thank you very much.